Hi, this is Jordan, and today I'm going to show you how to do a mail merge from an Excel file into a Word document. So you're going to want to open up Microsoft Word, and you can just select a blank document. It's fine. And from there, now you're going to go to Tools and go to the Mail Merge Manager and click Create New. So today we are going to create labels, but you can create form letters, envelopes. Labels are just a lot easier. I mean, once you can do it with a label, you can do it with anything else as long as you have the correct size. So for labels, they make it very easy. Um, Depending on what product you're using. Avery seems to be the most popular, you find them everywhere. And the packaging has these numbers here. There's tons of them. And they're right on the packaging and they're listed here in the list, so it's very easy to find the labels you're actually using. But if you have any of these other brands, those work too. And we'll choose 5160 address labels and click OK. So now we're going to get our list that we're going to use. So I actually created an Excel document ahead of time. I'll show it to you here. And when you create your document, just make sure that you label each column for what's underneath it. So I have name, address, apartment number, city, state, and zip, so that when you're telling Word what to pull over in the mail merge, you have very easy labels to work with. It makes your life a lot easier in the end. So we'll go back to Word and we'll get our list. So open data source. I saved mine right to my desktop, but as long as you know where you saved your file, and just click. Now I made this, so I know it's not a dangerous file or anything. I'm a trusted source, so I'll click OK. And then after it's done doing its thing here, the entire worksheet is my addresses. I only have one page, so that's fine. Entire worksheet, worksheet 1. And now we'll do the placeholders. So this little edit labels box pops up and the insert merge field. So now you can set up a sample label, and this is where those labels come in. So the first line I want a name. This, I hit return, and on the second line I want the address and I want the apartment number. And then I hit return again and select the city, state, zip, and I click OK. So now you'll see over here that all the labels are set up with placeholders so that when we finally do complete our mail merge, it knows where to put everything. There are filters. I mean, if everything that's in your address book or in your Excel file, wherever you're pulling the information from, is what you want on your labels, then there's no need to really mess with that. You can preview your results, but let's just get to it. So if you click here, we can merge to a new document, and it takes a second, but in the end, it's all done. So let's close that. So now all of the names that were in my Excel file and addresses are now here, perfectly spaced. So when we feed through the labels or we put them into the automatic feed and hit print, all the labels get printed with all of the information. All we have to do now is peel them off and stick them on the envelopes, and that's really all there is to it. So Now you know how to do a mail merge from an Excel spreadsheet into a Word document. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments or feel free to email me at jordan@jordandedwards.com. Thanks.